Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening VS Code, Dev or GitHub, Dev and signing in. This gives you access to your repos and synced settings. Once signed in, open the repository or folder you want to edit so files and the Explorer load. Make sure to install web-compatible extensions and enable settings sync. This preserves themes, key bindings, and extensions across devices. This first step puts your workspace in the cloud quickly, so you can edit without local setup and keep changes tracked from the start. Once your workspace is ready, edit files with split view and use the command palette to find commands fast. If a web terminal is available, run build scripts, linters, or lightweight dev servers directly. This replicates local workflows without installing everything. Use the built-in Git panel to stage, write commit messages, and push to remote. Make sure to pull first to avoid conflicts. Also consider installing a debugger or language server extension, so you can run and test code. To finish, commit and push your final changes, then open a pull request if you need review. Everything is integrated in the web UI. If you need advanced features like native debuggers or containers, open the repo in Desktop VS Code. Use the Open in Desktop action or clone locally. If something breaks, reload the window, confirm your authentication, or clone the repo to your machine to isolate issues. One quick tip: check extension compatibility when a feature is missing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.